Hello friends, myself Gurjeet Kaur from Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla. Today I am going to discuss with you the topic divisibility rules of class 6 unit 3rd. First of all, what are the divisibility rules? Divisibility rules are a set of general rules that are often used to determine whether or not a number is evenly divisible by another number. सो डिविजिबिलिटी रूल के साथ हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि कोई नंबर दूसरे नंबर से डिविजिबल है या नहीं विदाउट एक्चुअली डिवाइडिंग द नंबर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रूल ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2. A number is always divisible by 2 if its ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. अगर किसी भी नंबर का वंस प्लेस 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 है तो वो नंबर हमेशा 2 के साथ डिविजिबल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6, 7, 5, 2, 8 is divisible by 2 because its unit place digit is 8. Next, rule of divisibility by 3. A number is always divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, consider the number 64275. Sum of the digit is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to 24. 24 is divisible by the 3, so this whole number will be divisible by 3. Rule of divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digit in the tens and ones place is divisible by 4. For example, consider the number 96852. The number formed by its tens and one place is 52, which is divisible by the 4. Therefore, 96852 is also divisible by 4. Next, rule of divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is 0 or 5. अगर किसी भी नंबर का वंस प्लेस डिजिट 0 या 5 होता है तो वो नंबर हमेशा 5 के साथ डिविजिबल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 65, 195, 230, 310 etc. are divisible by 5. Next, the rule of divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by each one of 2 and 3. Note that the 2 and 3 are the prime factors of the 6. So कोई भी नंबर 6 के साथ डिविजिबल तब होगा अगर वो 2 और 3 के साथ भी डिविजिबल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ईच ऑफ द नंबर 18, 42, 60 आर डिविजिबल बाय 6. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 18, it is also divisible by 2. 18 is also divisible by 3. सो ये नंबर दोनों 2 और 3 के साथ डिविजिबल है, सो ये नंबर 6 के साथ भी डिविजिबल होएगा. सो it is also divisible by 6. सो कोई भी नंबर अगर 2 के साथ भी डिविजिबल है, 3 के साथ भी डिविजिबल है तो वो नंबर 6 के साथ भी डिविजिबल होएगा बाय द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 6. नेक्स्ट, रूल ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between the twice the ones digit and the number found by the other digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. For example, consider the number 6804. We will remove the 4 and we will get 680 and we will minus the double of this 4. We will minus the double of this 4 and we get 672, which is also divisible by 7. So whole number will also be divisible by 7. Next, rule of divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number found by its digit in the hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. For example, consider the number 79152. The number formed by the hundreds, tens and ones digit is 152, which is clearly divisible by 8. Therefore, 79152 is also divisible by 8. So, this is the divisibility rule by 8. Next, the rule of divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, consider the number 65403. Sum of the digits is 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3, that is equal to 18, which is clearly divisible by 9. So therefore, this whole number 65403 will be divisible by 9. So this is the divisibility rule by 9. Next, rule of divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones place digit is 0. अगर कोई भी नंबर है, अगर उसका वंस प्लेस 0 है, that number is always divisible by 10. For example, 20, 30, 160, 690 are divisible by 10. Rule of divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the differences of the sum of its digit in the odd places and the sum of its digit in the even places starting from the ones place is either 0 or the multiple of 11. For example, let us consider number 90728. Firstly, we will start from here. This is odd, even, odd, even, odd. So odd, even, odd, even, odd. So firstly, we will take the sum of digits at odd places, which is 8 plus 7 plus 9, that is equal to 24. Now we will take the sum of digits at the even places, that is 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2. Then we will find their difference, that is 24 minus 2, which is equal to 22. 22 is clearly divisible by the 11. Therefore, this whole number 90728 is divisible by 11. So, these were the divisibility rules of various number. Thanks.